choices. Kill or be killed. No hesitation, no second thoughts, and no mercy.
You better hurry up. You only have 5 minutes left before everybody dies.
And I'm not afraid to die. Damn it, wait your turn.
It's time. You all are about to enter the final challenge. Good luck to you.
Plant your feet, look your enemy in the eyes,
And punch him in the face!
Congratulations, Terry. You've beaten me, but unfortunately your time is up. Game over.